We just start to check in with where we're at right now. What's happening in this present moment? Might be a busy mind. That's okay. Lots of thinking. Lots of struggle. We just notice that. We don't need to do anything with it. Might be pain in the body, chronic pain, or something arising now. We just notice it. See what it feels like to not push it away, to not want it to be gone. See if we can find some sort of way to just accept it, that it's there, that is what is arising right now. Pain, thinking, can be a challenging emotion. Might be depression or anxiety, panic, fear. What does it feel like to just find a way to be with it rather than rejecting it? Almost like, oh, so this is what fear feels like. Okay. Can I just allow myself to feel it? We start to notice all these different movements, different energy going on. There's no problem with any of it. We don't need to reject any of it. Every single thing that's occurring is an expression of emptiness. Every thought that's ever been had is an expression of the divine, no matter what the content, no matter how dark. Nothing is separate from the one. And so, although it might feel very busy and chaotic in the inner world, there's not actually anything wrong. Sometimes it's busy and sometimes it's still. We don't need to make it mean anything. And what we may start to notice is that amongst all the movement of mind or energy, emotion, there is a still point. Or another way you may perceive it is there is some silence there. You may feel like it's in the background. You may feel like stillness in the background. Just see if you can bring your awareness to the still part, the still point, the unmoving point. There any part in your experience that is still and silent, even amidst all the noise and movement. You may notice as we focus more on the still parts, it seems to grow. You just get interested in that. See if you can lean energetically towards the silence, towards the stillness, towards what feels like empty space. See if you can go that way. Don't try and understand it. It's not for the mind. It can't be understood. No more trying to feel it. This is more of an energetic feeling, exploration. We may notice that all sound of the mind and outside of the mind, and all movement arises up and out of this empty space, silence, and then falls back into it. It is in fact made up of it. So it seems like a contradiction, and it is a spiritual paradox that all sound is made of this divine silence that you are. And see if you can explore that for yourself. Notice a thought arising and track it all the way back to the source. Hold on to it energetically. See where it goes for yourself. See if you can notice that it has an aliveness to it, an alive quality. It's not unconscious. And although it doesn't have any form, there's no substance or solidity to it, there is still an aliveness to it. See if you can notice that subtlety. You might want to ask this aware, empty, transparent space, is this my true face? Is this who I am? And we also might want to investigate, question, is there love here? Can I find love here? Is it true that love goes away, that it can go anywhere, that it comes and goes? Is that true? And what would it feel like to just rest here in this spacious love, energy field that I am? And I just stay here. And I allow myself to dissolve into it. Let go of my walls, my boundaries, my resistance. What would that feel like? I reconnect with this love that I am. And I allow myself to feel this love. Do I deserve it? Can it be deserved? Can anyone take it from me? Can you lose it? And what is the main thing, the number one thing that is preventing me from surrendering even deeper into this love that I am? What is that? And can I be brave enough to relinquish that even for a moment? And I allow the walls of my heart that I've put there for protection to dissolve just a little bit so I can feel this love.